Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring 10 beginner-friendly plants that repel mosquitoes. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Citronella Grass USDA Zone 9 to 11. Citronella Grass is well known for its lemony scent, which effectively masks the odors that attract mosquitoes. The essential oils extracted from the grass are commonly used in candles, sprays, and oils designed to repel pests. To use citronella, plant it in sunny areas of your garden or in pots on patios and decks. Beginner-friendly, citronella grass thrives in warm climates and requires minimal maintenance, needing only sunlight and water. It can grow tall, providing a lush appearance that enhances your garden's aesthetic. Citronella is generally safe for pets and children, but the essential oils should be used with caution, as they can cause skin irritation in some individuals. Number 2. Lavender, USDA Zone 5 to 9. Lavender's calming fragrance is delightful for humans and serves as a natural deterrent for mosquitoes. The oils in lavender contain compounds effective in repelling these pests. To use lavender, plant it in sunny spots in your garden or in pots near outdoor seating areas. Lavender is beginner-friendly, requiring well-drained soil and minimal watering once established. Its beautiful purple flowers attract beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies, enhancing garden biodiversity. Lavender is safe for children and pets, making it a great addition to family gardens. However, ingestion in large quantities can cause mild gastrointestinal upset in pets. Number 3. Basil, USDA Zone 10 to 11. Basil emits a strong scent that mosquitoes find unappealing. The essential oils in basil, particularly eugenol, are effective in repelling these pests. You can use basil by crushing the leaves and rubbing them on your skin or placing potted basil plants around your outdoor spaces. Basil is beginner-friendly, thriving in warm conditions with plenty of sunlight. It can be grown in pots or directly in the ground, making it versatile for different garden settings. Basil is safe for children and pets, adding both aesthetic and practical benefits to your garden, as it can be used in cooking. Number 4. Marigolds, USDA Zone 2 to 11. Marigolds contain pyrethrum, a natural compound that repels mosquitoes and other insects. Planting marigolds around your garden or in pots can create a barrier against pests. Their scent and bright colors deter mosquitoes while attracting beneficial insects. These flowers are beginner-friendly as they are hardy and thrive in various soil conditions with minimal care. Marigolds bloom throughout the summer, adding color to your garden. They are generally safe for children and pets, making them an excellent choice for family-friendly gardens. Number 5. Peppermint, USDA Zone 3 to 11. Peppermint has a strong aroma that mosquitoes dislike, making it an effective natural repellent. To use peppermint, crush the leaves and apply them to your skin or plant them in pots around outdoor areas. Peppermint is beginner-friendly as it grows easily in various conditions and tolerates partial shade. It spreads quickly, so it's best to keep it in pots. Peppermint is safe for children and pets, and it can be used in teas, desserts, and cocktails, adding both beauty and functionality to your garden. Number 6. Rosemary, USDA Zone 7 to 10. Rosemary's strong aroma is known to repel mosquitoes and other pests. The oils in rosemary can be released by bruising the leaves, making it effective when placed near outdoor seating areas. You can also use rosemary in cooking, enhancing your meals while keeping pests away. This herb is beginner-friendly, requiring minimal watering and thriving in well-drained soil and full sun. Rosemary adds a lovely evergreen presence to your garden, and its attractive flowers draw in pollinators. It is generally safe for children and pets, making it a great addition to family gardens. Number 7. Geranium, USDA Zone 10 to 11. Geraniums are popular for their vibrant flowers and pleasant scent, which can help repel mosquitoes. The oil derived from geraniums, particularly Citronella geraniums, is often used in natural insect repellents. To use geraniums effectively, plant them in pots around patios or in your garden to create a natural barrier against mosquitoes. These plants are beginner-friendly, as they thrive in a variety of conditions and require minimal maintenance. Geraniums are generally safe for children and pets, making them an excellent choice for family gardens. Their colorful blooms also attract pollinators, adding beauty and biodiversity to your outdoor space. Number 8. Alliums, USDA Zone 3 to 9. Alliums, particularly garlic and onion varieties, are known for their strong odors that repel mosquitoes and other pests. Planting alliums in your garden can create a natural barrier against mosquitoes. To use them effectively, incorporate them into your garden design or grow them in pots near outdoor seating areas. Alliums are generally easy to grow, making them beginner-friendly. They thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, requiring minimal care. Alliums are safe for children and pets, and they add a unique aesthetic with their spherical flower heads, attracting pollinators and enhancing garden beauty. Number 9. Lemon Balm, USDA Zone 4 to 9. Lemon balm has a citrusy scent that mosquitoes find repulsive. The essential oils in the leaves can be used to create a natural repellent. Simply crush the leaves and apply them to your skin, or plant them in your garden to enjoy their aroma while deterring pests. Lemon balm is beginner-friendly, as it grows easily in various soil types and requires minimal care. It can spread quickly, so it's best to keep it in pots. This herb not only adds a refreshing scent to your garden, but can also be used in teas, desserts, and salads. Lemon balm is safe for children and pets, making it a great addition to family gardens. And finally, number 10, Eucalyptus, USDA Zone 8 to 10. Eucalyptus leaves contain compounds effective in repelling mosquitoes. The strong scent of eucalyptus oil is often used in commercial insect repellents. You can plant eucalyptus trees or shrubs in your garden, and the aroma will help deter mosquitoes in the surrounding area. Eucalyptus is relatively easy to care for, as it thrives in full sun and well-drained soil. While it can grow quite large, it adds a unique look to your garden with its tall, slender trunks and aromatic leaves. However, eucalyptus can be toxic to pets if ingested in large quantities, so it's best to monitor pets around these plants. It is generally safe for children, making it a unique addition to your outdoor space. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the top 10 beginner-friendly plants that repel mosquitoes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!